Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys all doing good. Today I'm here to show you an amazing makeup look which is very easy and very simple. So hope you guys like it. So keep watching.
Keep it up one more minute. Keep it up, you're so great. Standing, talking, you got me checkmate. No one's watching or nothing. I have cleared out the room, also that you can get to be the big spoon. Ooh, cut on me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Ooh, ooh. Cut through every little inch of my skin. Baby, I will let you in. Ooh, ooh. Call me up in a minute. Call me up, set me straight. Pickpocket my eye socket. There's no time to be prude. I let you kidnap my tongue in. I let you measure my waist and intense fire will take us higher than higher. Ooh, cut on me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Ooh, ooh. Cut every little inch of my skin. Baby, I will let you in. Ooh, ooh. Can you feel the 779? Tell me you do. Baby, I can't wait, begin. Ooh, cut on me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Ooh, ooh. Cut every little inch of my skin. Baby, I will let you in. Ooh, ooh. Cut on me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Ooh, ooh. Every little inch of my skin. Baby, I will let you in. Ooh, ooh. Standing, talking, you got me checkmate. No one's watching or nothing. I have cleared out the room, also that you can get to be the big spoon. Ooh, cut on me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Ooh, ooh. Cut every little inch of my skin. Baby, I will let you in. Ooh, ooh. Cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Every little inch of my skin, baby, I will let you in. Cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Every little inch of my skin, baby, I will let you in.
You know just what to say. Things that scare me, I should just walk away. But I can't move my feet. The more that I know you, the more I want to. Something inside me's changed. I was so much younger yesterday.
I didn't know that I was starving till I tasted you. Don't need no butterflies when you're
Sneaking out late, tapping on your window.
I didn't know that I was starving till I tasted you.
When we're on the phone and you talk real slow, 'cause it's late and your mama don't know.
By the way, you do things to my body. Come on, tell me if we could fight it again. La da 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 da. I was riding shotgun with my hair undone in the front seat of his car. He's got a one-hand feel on the steering wheel, the other on my heart. I look around, turn the radio down. He says, baby, is something wrong? I say nothing, I was just thinking how we don't have a song. And he said, I didn't know that I was starving till I tasted you. Don't need no butterflies when you're
Sneaking out late, tapping on your window.
I didn't know that I was starving till I tasted you.
When we're on the phone and you talk real slow, 'cause it's late and your mama don't know.
By the way, you do things to my body. Come on, tell me if we could fight it again. La da da, waiting for something.